Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by using the crown or by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to open the settings. In settings, look for the option called sound. No, my bad, vibration. Here it is. Usually sound and vibration is paired together, but on this watch it's separate. So find the vibration option and tap on it. And here, scroll down. And as you can see, we have vibration on the watch category, and under it we have a couple of sliders. And we can adjust the vibration strength for different type of vibration. Ring vibration, notification vibration, alarm vibration. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.